Guys, naalala ko na naman, I work in the restaurant. The owner of restaurant became from Vietnam. And you know what, guys, is very funny is they didn't pay my salary. And it's like, thank you, arigato, ano na lang. You know what is English of chicken? She said, kukurukuku, kukurukuku. Ayun guys, at I'm smiling. Why? A basic English she cannot manage to understand. Yes, and the problems is, people go to her restaurants is, they came from different country in Europe. Nawindang ako guys nung narinig ko yung kukurukuku, kukurukuku. Hindi ba ganito dapat yung sounds of chickens is tukturuk. It's like that. Oh my god, I expect that, she said tukturuk in the morning because the chicken sounds is normal in Philippines, especially if it's waking up time from 4 o'clock or earlier in the morning. Oh my God, guys, she cannot manage to say something in English. Very funny. And guys, na 1, 2, 3 niya ako guys ng ng kakasabi na, sweet, thank you nga pala. Thank you for your help, sweet. It's good that you come. Thank you na lang ang salary ko, guys. It's a thank you. She didn't pay me. Honest is, if you want to search her restaurant, it's Zygon Restaurant in Grino. At yun nga guys, na 1, 2, 3 niya ako guys sa promises that she will pay me back. But suddenly is, she is not the owner of restaurant. Yung ex niya, hindi ex, asawa niya daw. Pero guys, meron akong namarites sa buhay nila. Imagine, mag-asawa na daw sila pero nakatira sila in different house. What's that? Kasi gusto kong malaman kung nagaganunan sila, 'di ba? Yung ganon. Yung hindi nila ginagawa, guys. Kaya oh my god. I hope that, people in Denmark didn't discover something. Kasi ini-expect ko, kapag asawa mo na or boyfriend, nandoon na kayo sa sukatan kung paano magibaan ang kama. Ini-expect ko na, syempre, di ba, kapag nasa Europe ka, nasa Denmark ka, ini-expect ko na kung paano nyo ginigiba yung kama sa gabit, araw at umaga. Guys, they are in different house. And guys, take note, ha? Meron akong kakatrabaho ko sa kanila, nagkaroon ako ng idea kung bakit they are not living together. Ay, ang boring ng mundo kapag hindi kayo magkasama at hindi kayo magkasama matulog. Very boring yun, guys. The most boring experience moment in life, especially if you're not single anymore. Because, di ba, my gosh, dapat kapag nag-asawa ka o nag-boyfriend ka, tanggapin mo sa katotohanan na it's a part of relationship. Ine-expect ko, guys, na gumigiba na yung kama sa kanila, hindi pa nila ginagawa. Diyos ko, virgin na virgin pa silang dalawa. Tapos, guys, akala ko nagaganon-ganunan na sila ng kama. Di ba yung umuuyog-uyog na yung kama sa kanila? Hindi pa nila ginagawa. Sabi ko ang kailangan gawin na nila. Kung hindi, isusumbong ko na sila sa kumon kung bakit hindi sila nagli-live-in. Di ba? Ay guys, boring ang buhay kapag walang ganito. Alam mo na yan, walang kabayuan sa gawin natin. Oh my gosh! Okay lang sana. It's okay if it's long distance relationship. It's acceptable that you are separated in different world. So you need to focus that I don't want to be a cheater to your partner or to my partner. Oh my God, guys, I'm waiting. I'm waiting talaga na may ganong eksena. Iniintay ko yung eksena na yung guys, hindi dahil racist, ako, racist in a relationship. No, no, no. I want real. I want to find out if they make like that. Diba? Yung binubuhat yan, ginaganon. Ayun yung pinaka the most interesting in life na inaabang-ambangan ko. Kailan magaganap yon kapag uugod-ugod ka na? Hello? Come on, do something. Do something, not boring relationship because it's boring, you know? It's boring.